On this episode, we're diving off the dinghy, baby.
That was our first dive off the dinghy.
Then we're getting set to explore another sweet Caribbean island.
You ready to go find some Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
This is Mommy, Daddy, Reese, Daddy's Mommy.
We also have a mechanical failure before setting off for some provisions. Are you ready to have some fun?
You got a flashlight?
Yeah.
Take it with you, so you can see what's in the supermarket. Oh, the lights. See you, Reese. Super.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
How about that dive?
Oh my gosh. Man, that was awesome. That was our first dive off the dinghy. Get over there, hop off the dinghy. And it was like a beautiful wall to descend on.
Yeah.
And as you went down, there was like a patch of sand and stingrays all around. I mean, I did feel like one was chasing me at one point and I freaked out a little bit, but it's all right. Tons of stingrays.
Yeah, that was awesome.
And the coral.
Beautiful. The coral's very alive there.
Oh, the coral's, oh my gosh, insane. And it's like the perfect wall that goes as you descend.
Fifth fleet. Hold your mask and that in while you fall in. Okay. Go for it. Good.
It's normal for both of us to feel a bit nervous before a dive, especially in a remote location like this. But you just take a deep breath and fall into the beauty that surrounds you.
So what do we get to, like 25 feet?
Yeah,
30
25 feet. Started at 8, went down to 25, but you know, all the coral was between those two depths, so it was nice.
And we were under there for, I think, 51 minutes. A free diver right above us. That was sweet, right?
Yeah.
Our friend. Man, that was awesome. We're probably gonna spend like one more night here, and then we'll move on down the Grenadines, and about 5 more nights till we get to Grenada, right?
Yep.
Sweet little spot. They do charge here, I think, 10 EC per person. And then they come around, they do like a sweet little beach dinner with lobster, and I think he said red snapper fish, desserts. But he's charging 100 EC. I feel like that's too much for us, you know? So, but I'm sure other people do it and love it, especially if you're on vacation. I'd do it if I was on vacation for sure. Gonna have a beer to unwind. I'm a little bit up here. Adrenaline rush.
We decided to pull off the hook and sail over to a nearby island for some much needed Wi-Fi and provisions. Unfortunately, that's when we found our dinghy lock had seized up. No worries though, we have the captain on board.
The lock's like freezing up on me, so I'm trying to start prying it.
Do we have any other locks?
Nope. The last one, yeah, it's not even opening anymore.
Well, that's no good.
Nope, no bueno here. Dang.
It almost lasted us to Grenada.
Yeah.
It's working?
Yeah, I mean the boat's just kind of breaking in and making it so, but it's on its last leg for sure.
You gonna go buy a new one at the supermarket?
It might be a good idea.
I don't know how good it'll be, but
It won't be that good, I'm sure. But this is something we'll get. I'll just replace it with this exact type. It's been great.
do we have like a little padlock that can tie to, don't we have a thing in our dinghy?
All we need is like a little cable lock, but and I have some somewhere, but they're old and I have no idea where they are. So this will be okay. I think it's working okay.
You ready to go find some Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apparently there's good Wi-Fi up here.
This is always exciting.
Yeah.
So this is Mommy, Daddy, Reese, Daddy's, Mummies. We're gonna go do some filming and some patron stuff, and also update our social media. And the little guy gets to connect to Wi-Fi as well.
What's up, dude? Hey, dude.
Just in time for our filming session.
I just fixed it. You did? Yeah. Okay. I appreciate that. That's so nice, man. And it was just, you know, it's starting to fail. You know, it's getting really gunked up in there. I put a boat shield in there and it wasn't working, but then I think it finally broke in. Now it's starting to click, you know, back and forth. Okay. It's amazing what the water does to it, right?
Destroys them real fast.
Yeah.
That was right. That was 6 US.
Awesome. I appreciate
you.
it, man. That was nice
No
of you.
dramas.
Yeah.
Well, enjoy it.
We'll
Yeah.
radio you if it fails
Yeah.
and we can't get it open.
Yeah, bolt cutters.
They'll be around the corner by then.
It's like this morning is totally different to last night. There's no drunk guys walking around. It's like a cool little atmosphere.
Okay,
It's right. The internet's fast. So
we'll go check it out.
check it out. We're literally around the corner.
Okay.
Right on.
Do you know where the supermarket is?
Past the snap. Well,
Right there? We'll see it?
you got a flashlight?
Yeah.
Take it with you, so you can see what's in the supermarket.
The lights?
Oh no.
Pretty
that's-
like concrete jungle, like supermarkets. Weird, eh?
Yeah.
All right, we need a
Yeah, it's
flashlight.
just past the snack shack on the opposite side of the street, like 40 yards.
Cool.
Okay.
Right on. Well, we won't be too long, man.
Man, enjoy.
Yeah. Thanks.
They're super clear around the island yesterday, so
That's cool.
We're gonna
Yeah,
go find some Wi-Fi.
deep enough to dive as well.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah,
We're
sounds
thinking
good.
maybe like him and Roscoe could go together.
Yeah, maybe. When you come around there, for sure, we'll have a play.
Yeah. Sounds good.
See you later.
Thanks, dude.
See you, Reese.
Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Headed to the snack shack.
Custom beer.
That's yours. Man, he is absolutely killing it like Colin McRae. You don't know who Colin McRae is?
I'm about to open this up to see what food I have before provisioning. And there's bugs.
We had issues with this door for a long time. Our air conditioner's not been working. My latest screwed up body part, I got attacked by red ants.
That was a major fail. The CPAP, a safe, bottle of scotch, at least there's some water, and more laundry.
Our battery bank is no longer good. Trojan T2s. We're gonna take these out. We're gonna be putting new ones in.
Did I get the right sizes? You opened it.
I have no idea.
In order to go into any crazy weather, we really need that to work.
This is the rudder stock. It's like kind of bent that way.
This is day one of our trip from Grenada back to the United States.
What do you think of that rocket launch, Reese?
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.